Hi. So how do we manage our opening balance, right? So what we do is go to the inventory management. Now the inventory management we get to see all of the items in all stores. See, for example, this Amatem for case soft gel, you're able to see the store and the quantity in that particular store. So for all the stores, we get to list all the items here. We see the total quantity, and then we see the breakdown of the values in each stores, right? Now, how do we then manage an opening balance, right? We have at the top here, the manage opening balance button. Once we click on it, then we click on set opening balance. We pick the store section, is it a pharmaceutical item, laboratory item, whatever item it is, then the category, and then we download the template. So what this does is that it downloads all the drugs that we have on the system, right? So now this is what the template looks like, right? So by default, you get to see the variant type, the code, the strength. Now, what we need to impute from our own end is the batch number. Let me say XYZ00893. The quantity, let me say 40. Then the expiration date, let me say 2026, right? Then the reorder level, at what point should the system start alerting you that this particular item needs a refill, right? Let's say when it gets to 4, and then the reorder quantity, let's say when it's, let's say 4, for example, right? And we save this template. You do the same thing for the rest, right? But for this particular demo purpose, explanation purpose, I'll be uploading this too, right? So now back to where we want to upload the opening balance. Still on that same page where we downloaded the template from, we then click on upload populated templates. Now we pick the store section, pharmaceutical, the destination store where it is going. Let's say it's this central store, or let's use this Ikeja central store. Then the category of the item, and then we select our file. Once it loads, we then click on upload. And then if we look below here, we get to see that there is a stock adjustment for the drugs category. We say 60 items were processed, and that is 20 plus 40, right? Now, if we go to the inventory management, right, and we look for our Teva, we can see that there is an increased value at the Ikeja Central Store, right? Now, on the product list, for an example, I think this is a Teva, and I say product details, we get to see the batches. So for example, this was the one we uploaded earlier, right? And the expiration date. The one for the 10 milligram and the expiration date. So this gives us, so anytime we want to start doing requisition and disbursement, this is the batch number that system will recognize. And what it to do at the point of disbursement is that it picks the one that is closest to expiration, right? So here we have the breakdown of each of the items that we've brought in to the system, right? Through the manage opening balance, right? And each batches. So basically, that is how we manage our opening balance. Thank you.